Welcome back to Fix My Maths. Today, we are turning fractions into percentages.
Today I'm going to show you the easiest possible way to turn any fraction into a percentage, even the tricky ones. Fractions, decimals, percentages, they're all just different ways of showing the exact same number. But in exams, turning fractions into percentages trips so many students up, especially when the numbers aren't nice. By the end of this video, you'll be able to convert any fraction into percentage using one simple idea, and you'll understand why it works so you can remember it forever. Here's a quick reminder of what fractions are. Fractions show parts of a whole. Percent means per 100, so your mission is always the same. Change the denominator to 100 or find the decimal and multiply it by 100. Let's make this super easy. Here's the method. Let's start with the easiest method. Divide, then multiply by 100. Here's the rule. Fractions, then divide the top number, the numerator, by the bottom number, the denominator. Multiply the answer by 100. So let's do an example. 3/4. Divide 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. We then multiply that by 100. So 0.75 times 100, which will equal 75%. That's it. Use this method when the number divide nicely or when you're comfortable using a calculator. It works for any fraction, even the awkward ones.
Always turn the fraction into a denominator of 100 first.
Converting by equivalent fractions. This method is great when the bottom number is easy to scale to 100. This idea is simple. Make the denominator 100, the numerator becomes the percentage. Let's do a clear example. Let's look at 3/5. We want the bottom, the denominator, to become 100. So what number turns 5 into 100? It's 20. So 5 times 20 equals 100. So now we do the same to the other side. So we multiply the top by the same number. 3 times 20, which equals 60. Now the fraction becomes 60 100ths, which is 60%. Another example is 1/4. 4 times 25 equals 100. And 1 times 25 equals 25, which means it's 25%. This method is perfect for fractions like 1/2, 1/4, 3/5, or 2/25.
If the numbers look messy, convert the fraction to a decimal, then multiply by 100. Quick and reliable.
Exam-style fractions. Here's the first example. 7/16. Step 1, we divide. So 7 divided by 16 equals 4.375. Step 2, we multiply that by 100. So 0.4375 multiplied by 100 equals 43.75. It's fine if the decimals look messy, it still works perfectly. Here's another example, 11/40. And here's a method many students forget. If you can safely scale the denominator to 100, use that instead. So do 40 times 100, multiply that by 2.5. So then multiply the numerator by 2.5, which becomes 112.5, which equals 27.5%. This is faster than dividing. Use it whenever the denominator is a factor of 100. Right, let's wrap things up. To convert fractions to percentages, first, you divide the top by the bottom. Second, you multiply the result by 100. And third, you round if necessary. Or if the denominator fits into 100 nicely, scale the fractions instead. It's super quick. Once you know this, converting fractions to percentages becomes automatic, which saves you time in algebra, probability, ratios, and pretty much every GCSE topic. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos and let me know any other topics that you want me to cover.